Hello. Today I will show you how to install a Maxi Cosi Axiss swivel car seat. It takes some time and patience. Before we start, I will show you the manual of this Maxi Cosi Axiss car seat. First of all, you need to find out which way you want the seat to swivel. For us it will be on the right side of the car and it will also swivel to the right. After that, in manual all about putting the seat in and adjusting it, so that you can carry your child safely. I hope I showed you all the pictures from the manual. To secure the seat in the car, take the car belt and slide it over the car seat, but make sure the strap doesn't twist. A twisted strap will be difficult to secure and it's not safe. Once you have pulled the belt over the car seat, it must be secured in the base of the car seat. The strap should be fastened all around the seat. Then secure the seat belt. Take the seat belt and tighten it with all your strength. Then turn the seat so that the rest of the seat can be secured. Put the seat belt in the fixing place of the upper part of the seat. Then turn the belt tightener in the required direction. The tightening handle should be on top. You can see the manual pictures again at the beginning of the video on how to do this. Put the strap in the tightener and tighten it firmly. That's it. I don't like the idea of the top strap staying loose though. But that's how the manual says it should be. What do you think is right? What does your inner feeling say? Thanks.